Okay, as you can see, I've already removed the factory hard line for the clutch connecting to the slave cylinder right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and slip this back right here, remove the two 12s, and get the factory slave cylinder off. You can see here with the two slave cylinders side by side, the K-tuned is a nicer finish, but the biggest reason for changing to this is because I know I'm going to have low clearance on this side by the transmission with the turbo manifold I'm building. And what it does, it moves the bleeder valve from the side to the bottom. This is a really good fit also for those using our street kit or the SX500 kit, where the compressor housing tucks in close to the transmission right there. This will allow you more room right there by the compressor housing versus having the nipple sticking out and getting real close. This one will be a better fit. So what I'm gonna do is put it together and go swap it out on the car real quick and show you how it goes. I'm also gonna go with our steel braided clutch line, which the K-tune fitting already comes with the correct AN fitting. So all I gotta do is take mine back out. This is how I package them when they come. And I'll swap these fittings out, run the hose or the line, and get it all ran and tucked down neatly. I just noticed this. I like the piece as a whole, but the Dash 3 fitting for the feed side, there's some play in it. I thought it was a screw-in fitting, but apparently it's not. Hopefully it's like an O-ring fitting that's held in place by these set screws. But overall, I like it. It's clean. It's more compact. But I'll look into that and see what the deal is with that. If you know, feel free to put it in the comments. That way I don't have to research it myself or call them. But yeah, I'll go get this stuck on the car. As I was saying, you can see with it installed, the profile here is much lower, giving you more clearance instead of the fitting coming out the side and ending up here. It's flush and has the bleeder valve at the bottom to make it easier to bleed it and freeing up this room right here, which doesn't seem like much, But in the grand scheme of things, when you're putting a lot of parts in a very small space, that little 1.5 to 2 inches frees up a lot of room for you.